Buddy, actually in this video we're going to be doing something a little bit different. A different type of video, not actually NFTs, but more into the DAO. My last videos, this has been something different and something good. Explaining to you how to make money in NFTs, but recently, the Hector is exploding and the whole DAO platform is exploding. So I'm going to help you make a lot of money if you follow my instruction. But this is just educational and entertainment purposes. Okay, enough of that. Listen, the DAOs are exploding. Olympus, Wonderland, Jade, Hector. They are exploding right now, and I know my last video is all about NFTs, but my job is to help you make money. If you do not want to watch this video, then don't watch it. But if you do find this helpful, hit that like button. Hit that like button because there's plenty. I'm going to be doing a series because I have been testing this platform, and stay tuned because I'm going to be showing you the results from my experiment. Okay, now I want to show you something, which is the Hector Dao. But before I do that, I want to let you know that I will be giving away 0.1 ETH. Currently, I'm close to 600 subscribers, but if I reach 1,000 subscribers in the next week, Saturday, then I will be doing a giveaway. I did this before in the past, and I'm going to be doing the giveaway if you comment, like, subscribe, share my video within the first hour of releasing every video. And then once I reach 1,000 subscribers, then I will pick a winner. So, without further ado, let's get this started. So what is a Hector Dao? Okay. You know that there are, you probably heard of Olympus, Jade, Wonderland, Hector, and there's many more. Alright, those are just to name a few. Those are just some popular ones. But first we have to understand, alright, what is a DAO? So it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Okay, Hector is a decentralized protocol based on the HEC, which is their coin, token, collateralized and backed by the Hector Dao. Okay, it's backed by Hector Dao, not the US dollars, not Canadian dollars or the pounds or the euro. It's backed by the Hector Dao. HEC will be the reserve currency on Phantom. So the beautiful thing about this Hector Dao is it's on the Phantom network. Now, if you're familiar with NFTs and OpenSea, that is on Ethereum. And Ethereum gas prices can be stupid sometimes. But this Hector Dao is on a Phantom network, which is way faster and way cheaper. When I'm talking about cheaper, it's cents. Okay? Now, in order to maintain the price stability, Hector will use the algorithmic reserve currency algorithm and will also be supported by other decentralized assets. So, how does Hector work? It's pretty straightforward and simple. Okay, LP, basically that means liquidity pool fees as well as bond sales increase Hector's treasury revenue. They also lock in liquidity and help to control the HEC supply. Now, the Hector's treasury inflow is increasing this treasury balance and backs outstanding HEC tokens and regulates staking APY. Now, when you stake your HEC, you will be rewarded HEC token. Now, the benefit of that is that every time the token goes up, your value of your HEC or the returns is going to compound. Okay, compound yields automatically through a treasury-backed token with intrinsic value. Now, I was doing my research because there's a lot of rug and pulls out there, right? In NFTs, in daos, you name it. There's in this industry, we want to make sure that we do our research. So this company is called Certic, right? And they're getting audited right now, and they're about 5% into the full audit, and they're basically okay. Let me just pull it up. I'm pulling it up right now. So basically, they are the leading security-focused ranking platform to analyze and monitor blockchain protocols and DeFi projects. Some of their clients and partners are Polygon, PancakeSwap, Sandbox, and many, many more. So they're investing into the platform, the audit, and if they're not serious, they wouldn't be doing all these things. Now, if you're familiar with Olympus, this is basically a fork of Olympus, but I'm going to show you what's different about this one. Now, with Hector Dao, they are not just a staking platform, but they have a lot of things that they're working on. Right here, okay? They're working on lending and borrowing protocol, which is going to be huge. All right, lending and borrowing protocol. They're working on their audit, right? They're doing additional bond offerings, Hector Pro, cross-chain liquidity, and then this is 2022. They're doing an NFT drop, Hector Bridge. They're going to do a Hector launch, so basically a launch pad. If you're familiar with Launchpad, you get access to early projects at a discount price. And they're also doing exchange listing and in-person Hector events. So, why do I think this project is good? Okay, there's a couple of reasons. But first, let's look at this. This is Olympus. This is basically the fork of Hector Dao. And a lot of DAOs, not just Hector, a lot of DAOs. Okay. Currently, they are trading, and their token price is 447, and they're on Ethereum, which is pricey with the gas fees, and more importantly, their market cap is 748 million. Now let's compare that to Hector Dao. Okay, trading at 135. They're on the Phantom Network, and more importantly, their market cap is 176 million. So with the market cap being on a faster and cheaper platform, they have a huge potential. Now I want you to do your own research, and I want you to do your own diligence, right? This is what I've been experimenting, and this is their current APY right now, 215,000. Last time I checked, the Ohm staking was 7,000 APY. So I have placed a couple of stakes, and I'm going to show you the results in a future video on what the outcome and what my return is. And if you want to know what that will be, hit that like, comment, subscribe, and bell button, because I will be dropping more of these videos, and I'm just sharing with you what projects I'm getting into. A couple of my colleagues made a stupid amount. They made 30,000 by staking their Hector Dao. So I want to give it a try. Now, I'm sharing this with you because I want to help you make money, right? If it's in the crypto space, NFT space, DAO, whatever platform it is, gaming, my job is to help you find opportunities to make money fast, easy, and let me do all the heavy lifting and do the research for you. But you gotta comment, subscribe. Now, before I go, I want you to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video because I want you to win a 0.1 ETH once I hit 1K subscribers. Let's go. We can do this. Alright? Let's stay alpha. I'm giving you alpha information right now. You want more alpha information? You know what to do. It's easy to make money if you know what you're doing. Alright? That's it. NFT Cartel out. And stay tuned for my next video. Peace.